Hello and welcome guys. I've come here for a very important announcement. So you must have heard Unacademy will be hiking its price from 20th of October. So this is with respect to that. So UPSC CSE Plus Subscription, as you know, for 1 year the cost is 44,000 rupees. This will be hiked to 49,500 rupees. The 2-year subscription costs 64,000 rupees. Post 20th of October, the same will be costing you 72,000 rupees. And likewise, for 6 months, the price will be 40,500. For 3 months, it will be 22,500. And for 1 month, it will be 9,000 rupees. So guys, I am here to tell you that if you are looking forward to buying an Academy subscription, clearly now is the time. So today it is 16th of October. So you have clearly 3 days left with you. And if you are planning to join an academy, use the code KC10 because the price will drop by 10% post usage of the code. So you will be getting 10% discount. So the current cost of 1 year subscription is 44,000 rupees, which after usage of the code KC10 will drop to 39,600 rupees. Post 20th October, the cost will be 49,500 rupees for 1 year subscription. Even after using the code KC10, you will be paying 44,550 rupees. So clearly that means that roughly translates to you paying up 5,000 rupees extra. Clearly, even for 2 year subscription, after using the code KC10, the cost comes out to be 57,600 rupees. The same will now translate to 64,800 rupees after usage of the code KC10. So clearly you will be paying close to 7,000 rupees extra. So guys, if you're looking forward to joining an academy, clearly now is the time. You have roughly 3 days in hand. So join it now, and that goes without saying, use the code KC10 because not only you get 10% off, but on top of that, you also get mentorship and hand holding. And I will be doing it myself. So I'll be your mentor. I'll make sure to guide you and ensure that I'll be your companion in this journey of UPSC CSE exam. So whenever you're coming to an academy, use the code KC10.